Welcome to Kericho County. I'm your host Susan Wanjiru-Nzomo, of course with Fidelis Constructions, your #1 precast construction agency. This is our 5-bedroom bungalow with an open office, and guys, I just want to show you what is currently happening. The last time I was here, we were working on the roof works, the tile works, and the windows. Of course, as you can see, everything is done. Right now we are working on the fittings of the kitchen, the wardrobes, the electricals, and the plumbing work. So let me show you what is happening. Follow me. So right here, this is our big entrance porch where the guests can relax, apart from the back porch there. Then it leads us into the sitting room area or our lounge space. This is our massive sitting room area. As you can see, we have done the windows, the curtain rods, the paint works. Our gypsum ceiling is already done. Then right here we have our outside porch for the sitting room. Then let me show you our kitchen space where we're going to be preparing our meals. So this is our kitchen space. All the wardrobes, the cabinets have been well installed, both the top and the bottom ones. Then our kitchen tops already done. They have been finished with granite. Then right here we have our pantry room or our storage room to aid us in our kitchen storage of our kitchen stuff. We're also working on the cabinets, as you can see. Then out here we have a porch that has our laundry room where we're going to be setting our washing machine for cleaning purposes of the house. Then before I show you our 5 bedrooms, I just want to show you how our open office will be looking like. It's just small but spacious for the owner of the house. So this is the open office and this is the space to eat. Then we have an open cloakroom whereby when the family has visitors or guests coming in, they can be using this cutting space. We are going to be setting our sink, our wash hand basin sink right here. And then into the bedroom spaces. This corridor leads us into the bedroom spaces with bedroom number 1 here, which is ensuite. Big, spacious, all our wardrobes very well done, as you can see. We are yet to partition them, but they are okay, as you can see. Then right here, this is the bathroom space for this particular room. So that is bedroom number 1. Then we have bedroom 2 right here. Just small and sizable enough. It's not ensuite, but we are also working on the wardrobes and the electricals part of the room. Then into bedroom 3 right here. So this corridor leads us into bedroom 3 and 4. So this is bedroom number 3, very big, spacious. Also the same work that have been done in all the other bedrooms, the wardrobes, the electricals, the gypsum ceiling, everything done. Apparently it's not ensuite. It's going to be sharing the bathroom and the washroom space with bedroom number 4. So this is the bathroom space and the shower space for this particular bedroom number 3 and bedroom number 4. So this is bedroom number 4. Also work in progress, but almost done as well. Then let me show you our master bedroom. This right here is our master bedroom. Big, massive, spacious enough for the owner of the house. As you can see, we have also set up our wardrobes, then our curtain rods. These are our wardrobes, just enough for the owner of the house. The drawers have also well been installed. And out here we have the parlor where the owner of the house can always relax with a very nice view of the entire house and the other part of the land. Then let me show you the bathroom space for this master bedroom. It's very massive, spacious. You can do anything right here. So this is the bathroom space for the master bedroom. So guys, this is the current progress of the house in Kericho County. Please don't forget to follow us at Fidelis Constructions on our social media handles for more updates on this project and more of other projects that we are working on in different counties. Fidelis Constructions, building the future, and another time.